Hi everyone, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today we're going to talk about one interesting strategy that is based on a paid indicator from the Chart Prime team. I will tell you how to use and trade with this indicator and stay profitable. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram group where I share all interesting information about crypto world for free, as well as show my trades which you can copy by simply subscribing to my group. And don't forget to claim your personal $4,000 bonus on BYBIT. All you need is to follow my link in the description or in the first pinned comment. After that, you need to register and make your first deposit on BYBIT, and you will be able to activate your bonus on your deposit. All the necessary links will be in the description and in the first pinned comment, so let's get started. This is the Bitcoin dollar 5-minute time frame chart. You can use other time frames as well, such as 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and other time frames, as well as currency pairs, because this strategy also works in Forex, the traditional market, and of course it's suitable for cryptocurrency trading. So, as I mentioned earlier, today I'm talking about a strategy based on a paid indicator from Chart Prime. Before setting up our indicator, we need to purchase the indicator, so we go to the Chart Prime website, press the registration button, which takes us to the choice of a tariff plan. I will choose an annual subscription because it's more profitable than paying every month. By the way, I have a special promo code that Prime Chart prepared especially for my viewers, with which you can buy an indicator with an additional 20% discount. So it sounds really good. After purchasing the indicator, we need to activate our TradingView account in the Chart Prime system. Just paste our nickname from our profile into the TradingView on the Chart Prime website. Now the indicators are activated and we can move on to the settings section. As you can see now in my TradingView account, after clicking the notification button, all notifications from the Chart Prime Premium model appear. Well, now we click on the indicators button and go to the invite only script section. Here you can find all the indicators that the Prime Chart provides. For the strategy, we need Market Oracle indicator, Chart Prime oscillator, and one free indicator called Super Trend by Kivans Osbilichik. As you can see now, our chart looks a bit messy, and also the Super Trend indicator sometimes gives us false signals. So to prevent such signals, we use the Market Oracle indicator and also use the Chart Prime oscillator to confirm the signals. Let's set up our indicators for further work. Go to the settings of the Market Oracle indicator, and in the Inputs tab, remove everything except Dynamic Reactor. And in the Style tab, remove all the checkboxes. Okay, now go to the settings of the Super Trend indicator, go to the Style tab and remove all the checkboxes except Buy and Sell. In the Inputs tab, we need to change the ATR period parameter to 12, and we also need to change the ATR multiplier to 2. Next, go to the Chart Prime oscillator settings. In the Style tab, remove the first 3 plot option checkboxes, then remove all the naive options, then remove the first 3 plots background options. Okay, right now we are ready to start trading. Let's deal with the rules by which we will trade. Everything is quite simple here. First, let me tell you about the Chart Prime oscillator. Here you can see the red and green zone. The green zone indicates an oversold sign. This means that you should think about buying an asset. The red zone indicates a sign of overbought. This means that the asset is overbought and it's time to sell it. You may also notice 2 lines. The first line is the RSI line and the second line is the RSI basic MA line. Also, the Chart Prime oscillator automatically shows value divergences, which helps us determine the further direction of the market. You may also notice green and red dots on the graph. These are buy signals in the case of green dot, or sell signals as in the case of a red dot. Now let me tell you the rules for opening a position using these three indicators. So for a long position you need the following conditions. The price should be above the dynamic reactor line, and the dynamic reactor line itself should be green. This signals us about close-up trend and therefore about potential long positions. After we see that the price of an asset is an uptrend, we need to wait for a buy signal from the super trend indicator. After that, we look at the oscillator and also notice green buy dots. Now we have three buy signals from different indicators. We open our position on the next candlestick and put our stop loss behind the previous low. Profit target should be set 1.5 times more. As you can see, we closed this trade in profit. Now let's look at the rules for short positions. Everything is similar here. We need the price of the asset to be below the dynamic reactor line, and also the line itself should be red. After that, we look at the oscillator and wait for sell signals. Next, we see the sell signals from the super trend indicator. Now we have received confirmation from three indicators at once, so we can open our short position. We open short on the next candlestick, set stop loss behind the previous low, and set take profit 1.5 times more. As you can see, this is another broken trade. Now let me show you some more trades. So let's look at a few long positions in real time. On the screen you see the Bitcoin USDT chart. We have a 5-minute time frame. We are in the green zone. The price of our asset is an uptrend. Also on the oscillator we can notice a green dot, which already tells us that the price is about to reverse. Also, we see a buy signal from the super trend indicator. This means that on the next candle we can open our long position. We open a long position, put a stop loss behind the previous candlestick, also take profit at level 1.5. Let's see if this setup works. So you can see that this is a successful trade. Let's see what happens with the price next. On the chart, we see a sell signal from the super trend, but this is a false signal because the price of the asset is above the reactor line. This means that the entire asset is in an uptrend and we are waiting for the next setup. Now a green dot has appeared on the oscillator and we are in the oversold zone. If we see a buy signal in the near future, we can open a long position again. A few more green dots appeared on the oscillator. This confirms that the price will soon change its position. Let's wait for the signal of the super trend indicator. There was a buy signal on the super trend indicator. This means that on the next candlestick we can open our long position. So we open a long position. Stop loss is set for the previous low or for the super trend line and profit is set 1.5 higher. Let's see if this position works. You can see that our position has worked in profit and we have earned again. We get another buy signal, we see a few more green dots on the oscillator. This confirms that we can open a long position. We open it. We also set a stop loss for the previous low, profit 1.5. This position worked instantly. I advise you to open no more than 3 or 5 positions per day and take a break after that, because there are always risks, and the more positions, the more chances for losses and mistakes. You may get tired, you need to feel control and open 3 or 5 positions a day and take a break. So let's look at short positions. Red trend line means that our asset is in a local downtrend. Accordingly, we can consider setups for short positions. We also see several red dots on the escalator. This means that the price will continue to fall. At least 2 criteria met. Super trend gives a signal to sell, which means we can open a short position in the next candlestick. We open a short position, take profit set 1.5 higher than the stop loss. So the deal was closed almost immediately. There is a small profit. Let's see what happens to the price next. As you can see, a buy signal appeared, several points appeared on the escalator, but as we know, right now we're in a local downtrend, which means that we are not considering buy setups. Although a green zone has appeared, it's not enough for setups, we just wait. As you can see, a sell signal appeared from the super trend indicator, several points on the escalator, the price was in a local overbought, and we can open a short position. Let's see if the deal works. The deal worked. It could have worked even earlier if the position had been closed, but the deal worked in about 2 hours. Another sell signal is given. You can use several signals at once, but I don't recommend you open several trades at once if your previous trade didn't close in profit. If you didn't wait a bit for the take profit and close the deal, let's see if the position won back under these conditions. Or for example, if you didn't manage to open a deal here, didn't manage to catch the price, then you could open a deal here, or they could make 2 trades at once, but I don't recommend it. I recommend to go step by step and not be so emotional. Accordingly, the stop loss was placed above this candlestick and the take profit was 1.5 times higher, and this deal would also work, that is, 3 deals in a row worked in profit. Let's see what happens next. Again, a signal to buy, we ignore it because we still have a downtrend. The price is below the reactor line and the reactor line is red. So far we are not considering a buy setup. We are waiting further. A sell signal appears, the reactor line is red, the price of the asset is under the reactor line, we have a local downtrend, we can open another short position. We put stop loss behind the local maximum, or we put it here if you're ready to take more risks and earn more, but we are for a local high. Profit is 1.5 more, we can bet 1.48. Let's see if the deal works or not. The deal went stop loss. In general, as soon as our transactions goes into profit, we can transfer it to break even and we wouldn't lose anything now. There would be another free transaction, but in general it was also possible to close the deal a little earlier. You need to be careful. As you can see, the strategy with paid indicator from Chart Prime really shows good results. So guys, Chat Prime provides a 10% promo code for all tools for traders, and they also have a Discord channel in which they post free signals for subscribers who have an incredible win rate. You can use their signals which are posted in their private Discord channel. Also in the Discord is a super community where you can chat, learn and find new friends. You can also use many of the indicators that are available right now on Chat Prime. There are about 6 indicators, and one indicator is the automatic creation of patterns and various trading forms, meaning you don't even need to know technical analysis. Chat Prime will do everything for you. Draw any ascending or descending figure on which you can trade, or you suddenly didn't remember the patterns, Chat Prime will do it for you. So in one session you can win back the subscription, and accordingly the subscription will be free for you for the whole year. Plus you can get a 20% discount using my Cryptalina promo code. Also the Prime Chat already has discounts. They are summed up with my promo code, and you can get an excellent tool for trading or scalping at a good price and start earning on the first day. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this strategy will be useful for you. Put your likes and comments below, and thank you for your attention. It's all for now. Bye.